everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica, and as you can see, I am in a different spot in my house today. I am in my son's play area. I finally finished putting it together. I was just completely lagging it, but I love how it came out. If you guys would love to see a little tour of his space, definitely let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to go ahead and share that with you guys. But today we are going to be unboxing my son's LovEvery play kit. This is the companion play kit, so this is for ages 22, 23, 24. We are super late on opening this. He is already 2. By the time you guys are seeing this, he will probably have been 2 for 2 weeks already. I don't know. We've been super busy. We've had a lot going on. He has started school. We're still doing his speech and his OT therapy. So we have definitely been very, very busy in this house. So that is why I have not had a chance to open it. And also I wanted to make sure I come on here and share it with you guys as well. So if you guys are interested in seeing what came in the play kit this time, then definitely go ahead and keep on watching. Alright guys, so here is the box. It is a pretty big size box. If you guys have not seen any of my previous videos, I will go ahead and link a playlist for you guys up top and in the description box down below. That way you guys can go ahead and check them out. The reason why this box is so big is because these are the toddler kits and they are packaged in sets of 3 months. The ones for up to they turn 1 is in sets of 2 months. Sorry. But yeah, so we are going to be opening this one. Again, this is the companion play kit. This is for ages 22, 23, and 24 months. I know he's going to love everything that is inside of here. Again, if you guys have not seen any of my previous videos, then you guys do not know how much I love and rave about LovEvery. It is amazing. It is such good quality toys. They definitely have done their research in terms of what is best for your child during that age for their developmental growth. And then as a mom, whether you're a first time, second time, third time, whatever mom, sometimes it can get a little overwhelming in terms of what to give to your child to help them grow. And this just really does take the guesswork out of it. They do the work for you. They send you the items that are best going to help them grow. And they even give you a little booklet giving information about the item that is in there, why they chose it, what it's good for, what it's going to do for your child's growth. And they even add in extra activities that you can go ahead and do with your child outside of the items that actually come in the box. So it's definitely been a peace of mind for me, especially being a first-time mom. So again, I cannot say enough good things about this play kit. I also have a discount code with them, so if you would love to save some money on your first subscription box, definitely go ahead and message me on my Instagram so I can go ahead and give that to you. Never hurts to save a little bit of money. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into this box. So here is the cover insert. Always a cute little baby on there. And then, do I have it upside down? No. This again is the insert, and it's going to show you everything that is coming in your box. Let's get on into this box. As always, you will get a materials and care booklet. This is going to show you how to care for all of the items in your box. So you definitely want to go ahead and hold on to that. And this is your booklet. You don't want to get rid of this. You want to make sure you keep this. This is what I was telling you guys about. They are going to give you information on what your child is supposed to be doing or should be doing around this age. As we all know, all children are different and can develop at different ages, but roughly this is what they should be doing. And then you go to the tab right here. These are the playthings, and again, like I said, it's going to let you know the idea and the thought process and the reasoning why these specific items were chosen, how to use them, and all of that. So let me just go ahead and show you one of them and kind of read off what it says here. So I'm going to go ahead and take out the wooden posting stand, and it's supposed to be experimenting with different diameters. And then it gives a little explanation why to do this. This three-dimensional puzzle is deceptively tricky. Your child must first identify which of the two dowels to use for each opening, then slide it into the second wooden base before it fits all the way. The wooden posting stand encourages hand-eye coordination with a fine motor challenge that builds resilience and problem-solving strategies. And then it goes ahead and explains how to go ahead and use it with your child. And then, let's see, real life play. So this is the tab here that I told you guys you can go ahead and do other activities with things around your house with your child outside of these items. So like peeling an egg. So I absolutely, this is freaking amazing in and of itself because it gives you so many other activities to do with them. So it's not just them solely basing it off of the items here. They're giving you so much more to work with when it comes to your child. So let's start pulling things out. I feel like I've been talking forever. So we are going to start off with the wooden posting stand. So that is this guy right here. Got the little pieces here. So all of the toys, again, are very well made. This is wood. These right here are plastic, but it's still very sturdy, very well made. It's going to be very difficult for your child to break a lot of these toys. And if you happen to lose or damage one of them, you are able to contact their customer service and get a replacement. Obviously, you do have to pay for the item, but I love that you're able to replace one specific item in your box versus having to get like a whole play kit. So here is the stand. Let me open this up. And we've got the little dowels here. I think these are smaller ones because there are two size holes here. So these are slightly thinner, as you can see, compared to the green ones. So you're gonna, that's what they're gonna do. They're gonna go ahead and put them into the slots in here. So that is this first toy. Next up, we have this Montessori animal match game. So it comes with little animals here. So we've got a lion, a pig, a cow. What is this? A cat, and got a monkey and a dog. So those are the actual animals, and then you have these matching wooden pieces. So I love that they're wood because, as we all know, if it's anything like paper, cardboard, anything like that, they definitely are very quick to bend, tear, chew, and completely destroy them. So absolutely love that they're wooden pieces. So you are going to go ahead and lay these out for your little one, and you're going to go ahead and have them match them to these animals right here. And I also love that it comes with a little pouch with all the animals on there, so everything stays together, neat, clean, and you can even take it on the go. Next up, we have this magic button mosaic. That is this right here. All the pieces are inside, so let me go ahead and see. I think you pull this out. Yeah. So you just pull this out, and you've got all of these little pegs right underneath. And then it has this design right here. I think you're able to, yes. So you're able to go ahead and take these out. They've got a couple of designs in here. And you're just going to, oh, we've even got on the back of this one and this one. So whichever one you want your child to go ahead and work on, you're going to go ahead and place it on the top. You're going to take all of these out. Obviously, I'm just going to take one of each color right now. Slide this back in. And they are going to match the little peg to the color to make the design of the page that's underneath. It's a fun little activity for them. It's going to help with fine motor skills. It's going to help with matching colors. Okay, next up we have the little buckle barrel, and it's got different little latches on here. And this is obviously going to help with fine motor skills and problem solving skills, because they're going to have to figure out how each one of these latches works. So this is an excellent tool for them. So we've got, I think, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 different types of buckles. So this is so cute. It feels really sturdy, even though it's fabric and it's soft, but it doesn't feel like cheaply made. Like I said, that's partly why I love their products. So there's that one. Next we have this little felt basket with felt stars and a set of tweezers. Again, a lot of this is working on fine motor skills. So they have to really, this is going to be hard for him, I know. He's going to have to figure out how to use the tweezers to go ahead and pick up each of these to place them in the little barrel. And these are really cute. They have, how many? 2, 4, 6, 7. You got 7 little stars. Alright, so this is really cute. Definitely something I will need to be working on with him. So I love that it is in my box, even though I do have a couple of items in these little boxes with tweezers to do something similar to this. And next up we have this jigsaw puzzle. This is definitely, I feel, a step up from any of the previous puzzles that they've had in their kits before, simply because the other ones are just matching the piece to the exact same picture in there. And this is just kind of like he's having to, even though it's simple to us, he's having to figure out where exactly each space goes into. And then I was looking in the booklet, and they actually have a really nice activity that you can do with the jigsaw puzzle and the felt stars, where basically you would take the color star and have them match it to the color of the puzzle piece. As you can see, they give you different ways to go ahead and play with the items in your box, aside from the obvious of putting the puzzle together and picking this up and transferring them into the basket. So definitely doesn't leave you in the dark as far as what to do with these items. And then last but certainly not least, it is a little book, Graham Turns 2. This obviously is for a child who is turning 2. So this is such an appropriate book for this play kit. And what I really love about their books is that they're not cartoons. They use actual children in their books to go ahead and tell the story. That way they're able to go ahead and relate more to what's going on and really put that into play in their daily life. So yeah, I am so excited to go ahead and have him play with these tomorrow when he wakes up, because he's already asleep in bed. As you can see, I have a lot of things set up here for him to play with. These are actually a lot, I'm telling you, a lot of his toys that I have set up here are from his LovEvery play kit, like these 2 right here, and then these items here. So every now and then I like to go ahead and change it up whenever he gets a new play kit. He's got a couple of other ones up here, but now that I have these, I can go ahead and interchange some of these spaces out for his newer ones to go ahead and have him work on the new skills that he should know. That is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Definitely highly recommend checking LovEvery out. Again, like I said, I do have a discount code. Just simply go ahead and DM me on Instagram, and I'll be more than happy to go ahead and share it with you guys. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment what you would like to see next on my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.